Today I'm going to introduce you to 7 characters. These 7 are responsible for churning people from this into this. Here are their names: Rick the zombie, Lisa the hoarder, Jean the nuclear engineer, Alice from Wonderland, Link the kid, Amy Origami, and Mr. T. Is there a plan to handle each of these misfits? Yes. Some just need our help. Others are our bitter, mortal enemies we must annihilate. Rick was a great man, a pillar of the community, but as he got old and vulnerable, that's when they got him. Sadly, he is no longer Rick. He is Rick the zombie, a threat that must be eliminated. The plan to take him out is something out of a 3-letter agency. A poison pill is being developed that will trigger him to self-destruct, blowing him to smithereens. Lisa has a problem. It started small when she was just a kid, collecting little trinkets from here and there, but it has grown serious now. Her apartment is almost completely full of junk. Should we kill her? No! We don't kill people just because they're hoarders. Besides, she admits her problem and wants help. The plan here is to get her a computer and teach her how to use eBay. Gene is a nuclear engineer from MIT. He maintains the nuclear power plant, but there was a design flaw that causes a slow leak in the reactor that can't be fixed. We want to get Gene away from that excess radiation before he mutates. Luckily, there's an old 1960s bomb shelter nearby. Right now there's a team working on connecting the computer in the power plant to the computer in the bomb shelter. Once that work is done, we can move Jean to safety. Do you remember the story of Alice? Back in Wonderland, she saw a bottle labeled "Drink Me," and when she did, she got smaller and smaller. Well, she found herself falling down another rabbit hole, and this time she found the potion again. But she is hunted everywhere for the cake that says "Eat Me," that will make her larger, but it is nowhere to be found. However, scientists are working with a potent magic flower stem. They mash it up, slowly mix it with hot water, and as it cools, it hardens into a magical stem gel cake. Link is a hyperactive 10-year-old obsessed with crazy glue. He just loves sticking things together, like gluing the shower curtain to the bathtub so it can't be opened. He drives his family nuts. Of course, they've tried taking the glue away, but he always gets his hands on more. We just have to accept Link for who he is. In the meantime, we are waiting for scientists to create a safe-to-use soap that will dissolve the crazy glue so that Link's family can stop eating takeout and open their fridge door again. Amy is infatuated with folding. She makes beautiful origami. Cranes, flowers, dragons, you name it. But she also gets easily frustrated. When she makes a mistake, she crumples it into a ball and throws it behind her. Now behind her desk is a frighteningly enormous ball of misfolded paper. Our plan here is to break up that huge ball and put a recycling bin behind her desk. And lastly, we come to Mr. T. Lucky for us, Mr. T likes to sleep. A lot. But if he was awake, he'd tell me,
"Quit your jibber jabber! You ain't hurt! You pathetic!"
Too much sunlight expose him to chemicals or radiation, and not only will he wake up, he will mutate. A mutant Mr. T is a dangerous problem, especially because he was born in early July. If he finds 5 or 6 other mutants from the same zodiac month, they can form a cancer gang. Once he's mutated, it's too late, so the plan is to eliminate him in his sleep. To recap, here are the 7 Bandits of Youth again, explained simpler. Help Amy Origami to recycle misfolded litter. Teach the hoarder Lisa how to get rid of clutter. move MIT Gene to the nuclear bunker, infuse Tiny Alice with some stem gel batter, remove Link's sticky bonds with a superglue dissolver, and eliminate Zombie Rick and Mr. T altogether. And if we do all that, we can make getting old much healthier.